Previously on Vegas TV.
One thing, black people talented, Yo, me see some real creative meme. And the baddest meme them, me I tell us, yo, anybody will make them meme them.
Alright, Shereen, so I just post a video and them a beat me bad. So I call meme wrong and it was supposed to be memes. Because the spelling is M-E-M-E. So M-E is what?
Me.
And M-E is what? M-E is what?
Meme.
You idiot.
So M-E-E-M what?
Meme.
So how them get M-E-M-E if you pronounce meme?
Because they're about the assholes.
And just when you thought that this would be the last you would see of Vegas because of his social media faux pas, wait, faux pas, Fox Pass, yeah, that's how it pronounced. That's how it pronounced. Fox Pass. That's how it spelled. F-A-U-X-P-A-S. Fox Pass. Yes, it has sparked a new viral sensation, a new viral video from local hip-hop dancer and choreographer and radio sensation Dublin Jackson. This dance is aptly named the meme. Let's see how it looks.
This week on Vegas TV.
Blessed love, you don't know this, Mr. Vegas, aka Madman, aka Usher him out, aka a Vegas I talk to you. Now today I want to speak to you about something that you're going to usher me out for, the round earth. Yeah? Now this basically is an apple. You know, an apple was used to discover gravity. A scientist at his window, an apple fell out of his hand, boom! He said, my God, the apple fall on the ground, that's gravity. So everybody got the solution for a round earth. Yeah? In ancient times, our ancestors, they said the earth was flat and they said a dome was hovering over us, right? They said a dome was above us, right? But we changed that now to a round earth. Yeah? So basically this is the earth, going around the sun at least 1,000 miles an hour. You know, Mercury and Venus is in front of us. Mars is around there. Tony Matterhorn playing music because Tony Matterhorn jumped off and went to Mars. And he's around there playing music and we can hear the music. So we're like, Tony Matterhorn, pull up the cartel there. And we just keep going around the earth, going around the earth. And the only thing that is holding us to this thing is gravity. Gravity holding us up here, 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 here. All the Jamaicans, them on the side of it. The side of the globe, east, the Jamaicans, them gravity holding them to it too. You understand? Gravity is holding even the Jamaican them. And you don't know Jamaica is a land of water. Gravity is holding the water too. You see, gravity holding the water to the earth too. See, you don't know at no point the water, gone down south. The water is always there, even though we're on the side of the globe. Up here, up north, we have the water up north. See? We have the water up north, rain falling up north, and the water stays up north, and the earth is spinning. And it is spinning, and it is spinning, and it is spinning. And it is going around the sun. And nowhere the water is going. The water is being stuck to the earth by gravity, even taking the shape of the earth. You understand? And just going around the sun. 8 planets in the solar system and we revolve around the sun. Don't know. They find some other planet the other day. Another thing, a plane coming out of space, landing on this thing that is going 1,000 miles per hour. And just land smoothly on this earth that is just going so fast around the sun. And everybody just educated and bright and smart. We're going on a ship the other day. We went on a ship the other day, me and Star and some other people, and Star say, yo, the earth flat. And I say, Star, stop your foolishness. But I realized I was an hypocrite because we on the ship for so many days and now we kept seeing, is land in front of us, just a body of water and land, a body of water and land. We can't drop off of the sea. I'm like, yo, Star, something not right, The other morning I got up, I see the sun and the moon side by side. I'm like, Star, something not right, So I said, let us look further into it. And I discovered this nice, round, beautiful earth just going around the sun, going around the sun. Even the Jamaicans, them on the side of it, not getting blown away. Even though some of them so wicked, and even though the hurricane them comes so heavy, everybody still stuck to the earth. Stuck to the earth here, stuck to the earth here. You park a car facing this way. You come back after 2 years, the car still facing this way. Even though we're spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning. And it makes so much sense. Big up the educated people, them. I don't know shit. Yeah? Big up yourself. Keep spinning earth. Spin, 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 spin. Gravity holding you. Gravity holding. Gravity, 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 gravity. Remember to get my album Ism. And let me tell you something else. You see that theory that a lot of you believe in? You're going to pay the price. Because when some of you missing, the excuse is going to be, they got blown away in space when we were going around the sun. You see how much people missing? And them can't find them. They got blown away in space. Yes, they got blown away. The gravity did not hold them to the earth, so they got blown away. That's going to be the excuse when they can't find some of you. Check it out. Ism album. Yo, look how long me attack Tono. Ism album July 27. Make sure you get it. And this is my single.